What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to look at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, it's currently 9:30 a.m., which means the S&P 500 should be just opening as we speak. Yes, it is. And we're most likely going to see these markets kind of teeter-totter right now. Once again, as we've talked about in every single video for the past, I'd say week, we've been retesting some pretty solid support levels right here. This is the price floor for XRP. And hopefully this week we'll get an answer as to the general direction that these cryptos want to move to, as well as the S&P. As you guys see, the S&P opened and is starting to correct lower. We are retesting this beautiful support level here, but we're also intertwined on these other major cryptos. You can see with the S&P dropping, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP also dropping. You can see that Bitcoin is coming back down to retest its vital support at about 18.8K. Same thing with Ethereum coming back down. You can see Ethereum specifically is retesting its major resistance. Ethereum specifically has a descending channel. We're still trending inside, and you can see as we retested the top yesterday, we're currently correcting lower today, but we're probably going to continue to fill in this cap here as we are using a price floor at about $1,000. XRP is doing the same thing at about 30 cents on the dime here. So you can see we are trending inside this channel, and we are going to get a result very soon, and I'll be excited to see which way it goes, because it will hopefully let us enter a trade, or specifically a short, which is the only conservative trade that I'd be making anytime soon right now. If we do correct up, this is an aggressive trade if you wanted to do that, and I would only really buy in if we broke above this resistance here. But these other cryptocurrencies, same thing kind of applies, breaking through that. The only opportunity we have as a conservative trader is to short below these major supports here, but we have to see how these markets do, kind of react to everything. The S&P can definitely head below this support, which there's a big chance it's going to actually happen, especially because we're only trading at about 37 to 38 on the 39 on the relative strength indicators, but Bitcoin is holding supports pretty well, and we are oversold for most of these cryptos. There's a little bit more room for us to head lower, that's for sure, but we are getting very close to becoming oversold, if that makes sense. So we are going to be looking at more possibilities of shorting these markets as we move forward in the week here, hitting resistances, so on and so forth. But things might sound a little bit repetitive, and that's because these markets are repetitive, and honestly, we are in the slump. And if you guys are true supporters of cryptocurrency, then this is, something that's expected, something that we've anticipated since the bull run in 2021 into seeing all-time highs, $70,000 Bitcoin. This is expected to see the slump that we're starting to see. And if you watched yesterday's video or the video before when I was in Tampa, you would have seen why this is causing for a, kind of end of the market cycle where we're just going to try, pretty much just trend sideways here. If not, we're either going to be heading towards the bottom, like the bottom was very close, we might fall another 10-20%, but that would map the bottom. Like we could see something like this, and that would be it. That's the bottom, and then we're going to start to head back up. Or, we're, honestly, that's where I think we are. Or we're at the bottom right now, and we'll start to head back up. So I think we're very close to that, and then we'll start to see prices gradually start to rise, but we won't see any like bullish breakout or bull run until mid to end of 2024. That's really where my head is, between 2023 and 2024. The end of that's where I would see these markets moving to. Otherwise, with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, if you missed my last video that I posted yesterday on how to build wealth on my new finance channel, I highly recommend you guys check it out. It's actually doing better than the other videos. For whatever reason, most of these videos do fairly well, and then I posted this global crisis video and it didn't do too well, and I'm not sure why. YouTube didn't recommend it that well, but this video too is doing some interesting numbers as well. So hopefully you guys like it. It's a good video if you ask me. I highly recommend checking it out. Link down in the description. Maybe on this channel we'll talk a little bit more about the YouTube algorithm if you guys are interested in how YouTube actually works here, but definitely make sure to check this video out. I spent a lot of time making it, and I put a lot of effort into making this thumbnail too, so let me know what you guys think down in the comments below or on this video. But diving into the technical analysis, as you guys can see, top 10 cryptocurrencies are still correcting downwards. We've finally broken through 900 billion, currently slumping to 877 billion, down 1.2%. Most of the cryptos are down. 7-day percentage, we're down about, I'd say, 9 to 10%. pretty much every top 10 crypto is down quite a bit if it's not a stable coin here. XRP is down 10%, Ethereum's down 11, Bitcoin 8.6, Solana down 15. Like, we're getting wrecked left and right here. But really, the main focus that we want to talk about, and there's really nothing we can do right now but be patient. And I get it. It's not a good market where, overall, but understand you're not the only person that's dealing with this. Everybody's dealing with this. I'm dealing with this. We got record high inflation levels. Hopefully, we'll get some July feedback for the CPI data for June, which should be soon, and that will basically gauge if the markets are starting to, if inflation's starting to dip down. I am starting to see gas prices dip downwards a little bit. They are starting to come down. I don't know if that's because of the, the Biden administration adding E30, or I think it was E15 ethanol to gas, diluting it and letting prices go down by 10%. But 10 cents. And I've only seen them go down about 10, 15, 20%, 20 cents at most. But let me know if you guys are actually starting to see prices dip down too, because I find it quite interesting. But yeah, we're not going to see any sort of big movements right now, and, or start to correct up until we get some positive feedback from the stock market. Stock market's getting hammered. The economy's getting hammered. Crypto's getting hammered. The entire country and, the entire world is getting hammered as well. So it's not a good time right now, but it is just a ripple. It is a wave, and the only bad time on a roller coaster is if you jump off. Otherwise, you'll be okay. So we got to wait this out here. But short term, looking at XRP, the only time I'd suggest making any sort of trade right now is below this support here. And we haven't done that just yet. But we could today, we could tomorrow. If at any point we dip below this, that would signal a short on the daily charts as a conservative trader, and I would buy in for a short. I would go to Bityard. Bityard did update their trades here. I've noticed the best way to trade is actually on light contracts, then go to Bitcoin. They've updated it. It's not USDTM, so it's weird, but this is the original Bityard. So I definitely recommend checking out Bityard. Link down in the description below. They are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging trading website out there that offers XRP, which is awesome. Here, you can buy long, you can sell short, you can set your leverage. I explained it wrong the last time because they randomly updated it and I did not realize that. But they also have a live and a demo account, which is awesome too. So definitely make sure to check out Bityard down in the description below. And if you do sign up, you can earn some free crypto by clicking this link once you sign up down in the description. Now, moving forward here, you can see here, this would only cause for a buy-in on a conservative trade if we see prices break us through this bottom support here. If we don't break through this, we're not touching it as a conservative trader. Same thing with Ethereum. What we're looking for is either a break below this or above this. And these would be the only signs, only specifically on Ethereum. Ethereum closes the daily above this. I'm going to buy in with expectations of a long. We break below this, I expect to see a short as a conservative trader. There's no trading inside of here. I do not want to trade inside of this unless we break through it. Now, what we're looking at is I do believe the bottom is coming in very soon, if not already here for Ethereum and for pretty much all the cryptos. We are either going to see another fall and that's it. Not this low, that's 50%. So I would only see maybe like to here, and that would be it. And then we'd see a rally upwards or start the markets to swing upwards. But until then, just be patient. Bitcoin as well, I would not touch this trending inside of here. I'd wait for a short if we break below this support here, buy in for a short, or I'd buy in for a long if we break above this for the upside here. But that's pretty much it. You can see the S&P is dipping below here. There's a good chance we'll consolidate back up by the end of today. But that's going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Really don't have any much more to talk about because of these markets are just so flatline boring, and I get that it is a crypto winter, but this is something we have to wait out. And when we do wait this out, we'll have these perfect buying opportunities. Same thing with the S&P 500. It sucks because, I've already used my my buy the dip money, if that makes sense. As the markets start to come down, stocks and crypto, people spend less on advertising, which means I make less money. Views go down too because people are less interested. They're kind of more worried on trying to put food on the table. And when this all happens, my views go down, my engagement goes down, the AdSense that pays goes down. So that means I have less to buy the dip, whether or not I should have dollar cost averaged more or put less in as we continue, I don't know. It doesn't really make a difference here. At some point, markets will start to head back up. I'll make more money. I'll buy the dip more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Definitely make sure, like I said, to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.